Is your girlfriend angry because you ignored her? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to restore trust, faith, and passion in your relationship. These classic quotes are 18 affirmations to accept responsibility, overcome anger and tension, and manifest peace and communication. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Life is a battle between faith and reason in which each feeds upon the other, drawing sustenance from it and destroying it. Reinhold Niebuhr. 17. The best soldiers are not warlike. Chinese proverb. 16. Modesty is a shining light. It prepares the mind to receive knowledge, and the heart for truth. Madame Guizot. Why is it that nobody understands me and everybody likes me? Albert Einstein. God lets everything happen for a reason. It's all a learning process, and you have to go from one level to another. Mike Tyson. Music is about listening. The more you play, the more the magic spreads. Maynard James Keenan. You may make some mistakes, but that doesn't make you a sinner. You've got the very nature of God on the inside of you. Joel Osteen. The safest way to double your money is to fold it over and put it in your pocket. Kin Hubbard. Truth never damages a cause that is just. Mohandas Gandhi. There is no subject on which more dangerous nonsense is talked and thought than marriage. George Bernard Shaw. To be possessed is an admirable reason for possessing. Dorothy Sayers. Our doubts are traitors and make us lose the good we oft might win by fearing to attempt. William Shakespeare, 1740. Technical skill is mastery of complexity, while creativity is mastery of simplicity. Christopher Zeman. We're all outsiders in a way. We're all alone and can become very lonely. Hugo Weaving. The capacity of human beings to bore one another seems to be vastly greater than that of any other animal. H.L. Mencken. Know how to garnish food so that it is more appealing to the eye and even more flavorful than before. Marilyn Vaux Savant. Outside show is a poor substitution for inner work. Aesop. Love begets love, love knows no rules, this is the same for all. Virgil. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day. Is your